Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you are fine guys. Today I will discuss with you what is fossils. Fossil. Let's start. A fossil is the mineralized particle or complete from an organism or of an organism's activity that has been preserved as a cast, impression or mold. A fossil gives tangible physical evidence of ancient life and has provided the basis of the theory of evolution in absence of preserved soft tissue. Fossils are the remains or traces of ancient life that have been preserved by natural process. Examples of fossils include shells, bones, stone, imprints of animals or microbones, exoskeleton objects preserved in amber, petrified wood, coil, hair, oil, and DNA remnants. Fossils are preserved part of dead organisms. This is the impression of once live organisms on the earth. Examples of fossils are animals, bones, shells, stone, imprints, cast, mold, etc. Paleontology is the study of fossils. The option of that best defines our fossils is give by answer the preserved remain of an organism that was once alive. For fossils to form, sediment must cover the organisms quickly. The sediment protects the remains from scavenging animals, erosion, and decay. Most often, fossils include hard tissue like bones, teeth, shells, and wood. Since soft tissue rarely preserves, but footprints and other markers left behind can fossils too. Fossils are the preserved remains of plants and animals whose bodies were burned in sediments such as sand and mud. Under ancient seas, lakes, and rivers, fossils also include any preserved trace of life that is typically more than 10,000 years old. Impression fossils. These fossils contain prints or impression of plants or animals for long ago. Trace fossils. These type of fossils capture the activities of ancient animals. Replacement fossils. These fossils are replaced of things that were once alive, such as trees or sea creatures. These fuels are called fossil fuels since they are formed from the remains of dead animals and plants. Today's fossil fuels are necessary for human survival and everyday life and are the primary source for the world's energy. Body fossils unspeakably are parts of organisms' bodies. These include teeth, bones, skin, eggs, leaves, wood, and bark. Trace fossils are anything made by an organism or left behind by one. Examples are footprints, bodily waste, bones of the previous mentioned stromatolites. Cyanobacteria. The oldest known fossils in fact are cyanobacteria from arched rocks of Western Australia, dates 3.5 billion years old. This may be somewhat surprising since the oldest rocks are only a little older, 3.8 billion year old. The most common method of the fossils is a Polymerization after a bond with fragment or shell is burned in the steam, this water will absorb mineral salts into empty space, producing a fossils. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.